step is funnel creation. Automating your sales processes. To automate your sales processes as a social mediapreneur, because you can do, it makes it easier for you to earn automatically, to set up your business. Automating your business is the ultimate for anybody who is doing business online. A sales funnel guides your prospect through the buying journey from awareness to purchase. It's essential for converting leads into customers. Now you have leads, you have created your lead magnet, people are now in your email list, they have opted into your email list. The next thing is for you to convert them to customers. So that is the importance of your funnel creation. It will automate your sales process from bringing them to through awareness to purchase, where they finally give you money in your business. Steps to create a sales funnel. Define your customer journey. Outline the stages your customers go through from discovering your brand to making a purchase. Create funnel stages. Typically, this includes awareness, e.g. blog posts, social media, interest, e.g. lead magnet, decision, e.g. webinars, and action, products purchase. So this is like the stages of your funnel. It could be different from business to business, but these are basically or typically the kind of sales funnels that you need to have. Awareness first. You want people to know about you, about your brand. Then interest. You now create a lead magnet. Those that are interested in your business are going to get that lead magnet because it's something that is related to your business. So they are interested in that lead magnet. They opt into your email list. You create a webinar for them. They decide to join you. And then on your webinar, you sell them a product. At that point, you have converted them to a customer and they have paid you something. So that is how the funnel looks like from the point of awareness to the point of making a purchase. Automate your funnel. Use tools like ClickFunnels to automate your sales process. This includes setting up landing pages, email sequence, and payment gateways. Okay, so your landing pages, from the point of your landing pages to the email sequence you are going to send to them when they opt in into your list, and also the payment gateways when they finally want to buy from you. They're not going to call you because they want to buy from you. Your payment, your buy buttons should be there where they can easily click and buy something from you. Optimize and refine. Continuously analyze your funnel's performance and make adjustments to improve your conversion rates. Maybe at a point in time, you see your funnels going down, your sales are reducing, you want to optimize it. So at this step, you need to continuously optimize and refine your funnel, find out what is wrong and make adjustments accordingly. Tools for funnel creation, we have Systemi.io, a comprehensive tool for building and automating sales funnels, Leadpages for creating high converting and landing pages that integrate with your funnel. Also, we have Bizmatic.app for creating sales funnels and landing pages. All of these tools are useful to your business as a social mediapreneur. The next step is traffic generation, driving visitors to your content. Without traffic, even the best content won't convert. You need to generate consistent traffic to your social media profiles, blogs, and sales pages. So what is the usefulness of a very good content that doesn't have traffic? So it is important for you to drive traffic to your content so that your content can convert. The more eyes seeing your content, the more the potential of making sales. What are the steps to generate traffic? Number one is content marketing. Regularly create and share valuable content that attracts your target audience. This could be blog posts, videos, or social media updates. Search engine optimization. Optimize your content for search engines to drive organic traffic. Use tools like Yoast SEO for on-page optimization. Social media marketing. Leverage platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn to promote your content and engage with your audience. Consistency and quality are key to your business. Paid advertising. You can consider using Facebook ads or Google ads to reach a broader audience quickly. These are ways to generate traffic to your products or services. Now, collaborations and partnership. Partner with influencers or other businesses in your niche to expand your reach and tap into new audiences. So you can partner with other people that are in your niche to actually tap into their audience. Some of their audience can become your audience too. For example, maybe you are someone who is into what you sell makeup, and then there is another influencer that sells hair. Most of the customers of that influencer that sells hair are also going to be interested in buying makeup. So you can tap into some of their audience by partnering with them. Tools for traffic generation, mostly for managing and scheduling social media posts across platforms. You can use this for traffic generation. It can be a tool because you can use this to actually schedule your posts, make your posts across all your social media platforms, to manage your social media platforms. Google Ads for creating paid ad campaigns to drive traffic. So this is another tool that you can use for traffic generation. And the next step is product launch, bringing your offering to market. You have gone from the point of the mindset, having the mindset of a business person, knowing that you can make money online and treating that business as a real business. Then you went from there to niche selection, selecting a niche and niching down to be able to reach the right audience. You also went from there to product creation, to creating different products that you can offer to your audience. And then you went to list building, where you can build using lead magnets to build a list and to get people to opt into your mailing list. Then you went into traffic generation, where you drive traffic to your offers, to your page, to your sales, and all of that. Now it's time to launch your products, bringing the offering to the market. Launching your products is the final step, where you present your offering to your audience and drive sales. Steps to launch your products. Now, pre-launch planning. You build anticipation by teasing your products through your email list, social media, and blog. Consider offering early bird discounts or exclusive bonuses. Now, this is your pre-launch planning. You are building anticipation towards your launching. You're telling people this is where you do a countdown to your launching. Oh, it's 7 days to launching this product. Then during that period, you can offer discounts to people that are going to opt in first, or the first people to pre-purchase, or the first 10 people to purchase at launching. I'm giving you 50% discount and all of that. These are pre-launch activities. You create a launch sequence. This could include a series of emails, webinars, or live events leading up to the launch date. So creating sequences in form of emails, you're sending emails out to your email list that you have built, telling them about the products and reminding them of the dates where your products are going to be launched, or doing webinars, telling people how to use this product, how it works, reviews on the products and all of that. Then live events leading up to the launch date. You can have live events where people ask questions about your product that you're about to launch. Now you execute your launch. That's another step. On the launch day, you announce your products across all channels. Be active in responding to questions and engaging with your audience. Now you have launched your product, you release your product to the market, people are going to be buying, or in that process, they're going to be asking questions, whatever challenges they are facing, they're going to be reaching out to you. So you be active on the day of launching, to be responding to people, actively engaging people, your buyers or your potential buyers who need more questions or who need help purchasing your products. Post-launch follow-up is another step in product launch. So after the launch, follow up with your customers to thank them and offer additional value. So you can upsell them on other products you have. You can tell them if you have any other products coming up for them to watch out for it. That's after thanking them for buying your products. This helps to build long-term relationship and encourage repeat businesses. Now they've bought your product, they like it, and you are telling them now that, oh, thank you, I have additional value for you. This is going to help you build loyalty. Now, tools for product launch. Teachable.com for launching and managing online courses, if that is what you are creating as a social mediapreneur. Kajabi is a platform for launching online courses, membership sites, and coaching programs. Now, let's go into the summary of what we have talked about in this module. Starting as a social mediapreneur involves a step-by-step process built around 7 critical pillars, and we mentioned each of these pillars as mindset, niche selection, product creation, list building, funnel creation, traffic generation, and product launch, where you finally release your product to the market. Each pillar is integral to building a sustainable and profitable social media-based businesses. So by following this roadmap and utilizing the recommended tools, you can strategically grow your presence, engage your audience, and achieve financial success online. So these pillars are very important to your business. If you really want to make real money online as a business person, as a social mediapreneur, regardless of whatever niche you have chosen to do your business in. Now we have come to the end of Module 4. Watch out again for Module 5.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next training. Want to go deeper? Get access to the full course, step-by-step modules, and downloadable resources. Just click the link below. And don't forget to join our community of entrepreneurs and creators, where you'll get support, mentorship, and real success stories. The links are right below. See you inside.